The only reason I'm doing this is because every time I don't turn the damn thing on, something happens. Jesus. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, God. Silver-haired ladies indicating left and hello. Oh dear, they've let them out again. It's been really, oh my goodness. Carry on. No, that's great. You just carry on, it's okay. Mazza! I like the way you drive. 5 kilometers an hour below the speed limit. I love it. I'm coming over all unnecessary. After you, face. Felix. Enchanté. Ce fut un plaisir.
Ouais, franchement c'était cool.
Lance la bête. So boys, I just want to do a big shout out to Felix here on a Ducati, what am I saying, on a KTM 390. A cool dude. We just went to the beach to look at the joggers in their lycra. Girls, obviously. Well, maybe not obviously, whatever lights your candle, but I came to look at the girls anyway. And the beautiful view. It's always a pleasure meeting a fellow motorcyclist. So Felix, cheers buddy. Avec un peu de chance, tu vas être un star.
Les millions de vues et tout ça.
Oula. Cool guy. Cool sickle. Didn't get a high five. Close. Vous êtes une excellente conductrice.
Ah bon, mais c'est un reproche ou c'est...
Ah, absolument pas.
Ah bon, mais merci beaucoup alors. Merci.
Bonne journée.
Merci pareillement.
You're welcome, madam. Got a high five. Excellent. That's made my morning. He was doing a great job and he knows the score. He's hip. Hello. Ça va?